voltage current, okay, for chapter 2, the voltage current. Now to understand a Ohm's law, we're gonna keep continuing for the resistor, okay? This is Ohm here. All right, okay. So the before we wanted to register, I wanted to make it clear, okay? So to measure voltage and current, we're gonna using the DMM, the ammeters and voltmeters. The ammeters to measure current, we need to the broken in order for the current to flow through ammeter to be the measure, and plus red one here. I'm gonna check in here, red one and black here. Okay, plus minus, because this is a plus minus conventional current from the plus to the minus. So the positive read of the meter as the red one is placed at the point, the higher potential, the plus, but the negative lead of the meters, the black one, is the minus, is placed at the point of the lower potential, okay? That is very important just for which is to measure the current. But the sometime you're gonna measure for voltmeters, we're gonna do the plus and minus, okay, by using the voltmeters here. Okay? That is very important. Same thing, like this one, that was measure plus minus. This is register, that is plus, this minus, okay? That is 70 mm. This is voltmeter. This is the ammeter, okay? Okay, so now we learn about resistance. What is the resistance? The flow of charge through any material the encounter on opposing force similar is many respects, okay? So the flow of charge through any materials, okay? But the encounter on opposing force, okay? Opposing force. So that is resistance symbol or the unit, the ohm here, okay? The ohm. So, and resistance symbol and notation like this one, okay? This is R. So usually register is could be affect a lot of factors, but the four main factor affect two characteristics of the resistance. One is material, okay? Second thing is length. And third thing is cross sectional the area, okay? And fourth is temperature. Okay, right. That is four main factors of the resistance. So I'm gonna drawing for cable like this one, and that is for length. This is L, and that was consistency of material. That is low. That is the low is characteristic of material. And that was the another color. Okay, that was, oops. That was the area, cross-sectional area, right? This one. Okay. All right. So the resistance related to other three factors, usually the fixed temperature. Okay. So, oops. Fixed temperature of the 20 the degree room temperature, the resistance is related to the other three factors by R is the equal to low times L A. Definitely, that is the ohm here. So resistance is proportional to length, but in proportion to the area. Okay, that is for the factors affecting the resistance of the conductor could be described of the formula. So now we're gonna learn about the let's say circular mills. Circular mills. CM. Okay. Circular mills. So the mill, oh, I'm sorry. This is the mill. Okay. So the mill is the unit of measurement for length and is related to the inch by 1 mil is 1 over 1,000 inch. So that means 0.001 inch. Okay. That means 1,000 mils is 1 inch. So we have to know about that equations for the future process to be calculated for the register. So usually a wire with a diameter 1 mil has an area of circular mills. So like this one here, wire with a diameter of 1 mil has an area of one circular mill. Okay. So the definition, the area of circular mills is for cross-sectional area is 1 mil square. Okay. For example, let's say the 2 mills, okay, 2 mills or 2 the diameter mills. Okay, it depends on the books or the lecture note. We can use the same thing, but finally that was 4 circular mill. 4 circular mill. Okay. Maybe how about the 3? 3 mills means 3 diameter mills is 9 circular mill. Okay, that is cross-section area. So from the figure verifications, for example, like this one, this is the area of the wire. For example, that is the diameter is the 2 mils is what? 4 circular mill. 4 circular means same circuit 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Maybe how about this one? The diameter 3 mils. How about this one? For example, like this one here, 3 mils. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circular mil. Okay. Now, we go back to front the note here. See here. What is it? That is a resistivity rho of various materials, which is the one of factors, the effect for the resistor. So from the from the let's say from the formula resistor here, L over A. So rho is A area, cross-section area, R resistivity, and L is length. That is formula. Okay. So maybe again, resistivity of various materials law is also measured in the ohms per mil foot as the ohm meter SI unit. So we're gonna learn about more from the sampled questions, okay? I'm gonna drawing here. Let's say, oops, hold on. No, that was not good way. Okay, so go back to the front page. Sample exam. What is the resistance of 100 feet? The Cooper wire with 0.020 the inch, the diameter. So from this, the given L is what? 100 feet. Okay, 100 feet. And the other thing here, okay, the Cooper from the resistivity, the table from the low is 10.37 cm fit. Okay, that is the unit. Why? Because from the resistor, maybe again, low LA. From this, the formula low is what? L over RA. Okay. And for each corresponding unit here, CML is fit here. Okay. So D is from the questions is for what? What? 0. Oops. 0.02 inch for diameter. Okay. So from here, we can rewriting for D is equal to 0.02 inch. Okay. And 20 mil. Why? Because go back to slide. Can you see that 1 mil is the 1 over the 10 inch? Okay. 1 mil, 1 over 10 inch. And X mil is 0.02 inch. What is the X? Yeah. That is the 20 mils. And what is the A sub cm? Decimil square. What is the decimil? The diameter mils. So now the 20 mils square, that is 400 cm. Why? Because that was the cross-section area unit. Okay, so finally, the question is, what is resistance? What is resistance? That is the questions. Okay, what is the resistance? So now, by using formula R low L A. What is the rho? Low, the Cooper is, we have already know right there. So 10.37 multiply A. What is A? Cross-section area, the unit cm. What is the cm? 400 cm here. And what is the length? The length should be the feet, right? 100 feet. So now, finally, after calculations, that one 0.6 what? Ohm here. Why? Because that is the ohm here. Right? Any question? All right. The another sample questions. Okay, another sample questions. The another sample questions. Okay, so the given 100 feet wire and resistor. Okay, resistor 0.5 kilo ohm. Okay, and cross-sectional area is what? 94 cross-sectional mil. Okay. So now, what is the question is, what is material? We might need to, we might needed to bring back to the table from the above, right there. Let's say go back to here. Copy. Okay, here we go. Oops. Figure. Huh. Interesting. One more time. So now copy, and might be passed. Might be. Oops. What's the problem? Okay, I'm gonna checking. Okay. Unfortunately, it does not working. Okay, never mind. So what is the matrix? So matrix means we have to find matrix characteristic row, right? So low is from the equations A R over L, right? So what is the L? What is the L? 100 feet. What is the R? 0.5 k ohm. What is the A? 94 cm. So finally, that was 47 feet over ohm cm. So from the table, go back to the table, scroll up, 47, right there. Here we go, 47 nickel. So the answer is for nickel, okay? Okay. Now, oops. Now, now, we're gonna learn about resistance, the color coding standard register value. So go back to the front of the note. Here we go. Here we go. Oops. So now, this is the color. I mean, each register has the color, which is to identify the color, the register, okay? So whatever the color, for example, like this one, black, white, red, it doesn't matter. The order from here to the here. So the gold and or silver should be the last one, okay? 4 components. Any 4 components, you have to read the, so how can I say the last one? Here we go. For example, the color coding and standard, for example, red, brown, orange, and gold. Okay. So the red is what? 2. What is the brown? 1. What is the orange? 3, right? So what does that mean? The gold, the tolerance. I mean, the tolerance is available to maximum plus and the plus and minus value, plus and minus 5%. So now here, 21, 10-3 here, 21, the 10-3 plus minus 5% here. So that means that 21K plus minus 5% or 1,000 and plus minus 5%. It was the same thing. Okay. For example, number B. What is the color from this one? Plus minus the 10%. Okay. What is the 2? Red. What is 4? Yellow. What is for 0, the 100? Red. Okay. And what is the 10% plus minus 10% tolerance here? Silver. Okay. So for the quiz and the exam, I will share with you the color register color code table. Okay, so you don't need to memorize, but at least you have to know and interpret and understanding how can we find the register from the table. Okay. Okay. So the one more things. Okay, 10 ohm plus minus 5%. What is the color? What is the 4 color? So for this case, mean 10 times 10⁻⁴ is 10 times 1 is 10. So now it was the same. So 1 is what? The brown, right? What is the 0? The black. And what is the 0? The black. Brown, black, black, and plus minus 5% what? The gold. So the answer is brown, black, black, gold. Okay, something like this. Okay. Any questions